So in this video, I'm going to be talking about opening a US bank account without an SSN. So, if you don't have an SSN, most probably you're not a resident of the United States of America. So, there are some minimum requirements that you need to have in order for you to open a US bank account. So, first, you would need to have identification. So, you will need at least one form of official government issued photo identification, and some banks require multiple forms of ID, particularly for non residents. So, accepted primary forms of ID typically include a valid passport or accepted consular ID with a photograph, and your US issued visa is typically acceptable as a secondary form of ID. Now, your bank or financial institution may also accept other documents to verify your identity. So, you want to check with their customer service representative to confirm the specific requirements. Now, you also need to have a proof of address. So, usually the proof of address is in utility bills dated in the last 60 days, paycheck or employer pay stub, a copy of your lease agreement, or your current driver's license or municipal ID. Also, you would need to have an identification number. So in this section, this is where usually the SSN comes in, because the first identification number that is suggested is the social security number, which is the SSN. Now, if you don't have that, you want to have the alien identification card number or the individual taxpayer identification number, or ITIN. All right. So, do you actually need a social security number to open a bank account? No. You do not need an SSN to open a bank account in the United States. Also, many banks in the United States allow non-residents to open a bank account without an SSN. Instead, you can open a bank account with an ITIN or other unique identifier, which may require you to complete an IRS Form W-8 at the time of account opening. These alternatives accommodate individuals who might not be eligible for an SSN. So there you have it, guys. That's how you open a US bank account without an SSN. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your homeboy Josh, and I'm going to see you on the next video. Peace out.